to the M to the IDD, and today I'm actually going to acquire my new Nikon D850, and I'm going to take you along with me. So I got my 70-200 lens, brought some memory cards with me just to test it and shoot it before I purchase it. And I'll probably give you a little bit more details when I actually do kind of my review on it, but this is more so right along. So let's go. So I realize that I haven't said much, but I've been looking for this D850 for a while, and I found this one guy on Facebook that wanted like $2,000 for used, and it does have some cosmetic damage, and I'll probably get into that a close-up view of it in another video. But I was like, man, I really didn't want to pay $2,000, and brand new is $3,000, and I knew I definitely didn't want to pay that, so I was just kind of waiting. So I've been waiting for a while, and this person put it up for about $2,000, and I was like, nah, I'll wait a little bit more. And so now I was actually able to talk him down to $1,600, and I'm perfectly fine with that. So $1,600 for this camera, and if you know about the D850, then you know that it is a beast. And for me, you know, it's about the pixels, and also I like to shoot in 4K a lot, especially with my Sony that I'm recording on now, and that has 4K capability. So I'm going to go meet him right now and check it out, and you get to come with me. Traffic building up on the opposite side, so I will not be coming home this way. This guy's actually on a military base, so hopefully I can get on this base with no problem. You too, bro. So, got in, now on to meet the guy for the camera. Let's go. Camera flash type stuff.
Yeah, I had like a whole studio.
Oh yeah?
I have like Godox giant like flashes and triggers,
that's like
backgrounds.
Godox is like the
They're
thing
really good.
now.
They're Chinese.
Yeah.
Right.
But I use them like, I got the 8000 Pro, 8200.
Yeah, the 8200.
Yeah, I'm like on it. But now I was like, this is good too, because it's like I can actually get the 4K video with this too, if I don't want to use that.
The A7, was that the A7S?
7S too.
Yeah. I mean, that's primarily a video camera.
Video camera anyway, yeah. I don't never really shoot. You know, this focusing might be better than the my D800 for sure.
No, yeah, that one. Like that was a massive upgrade for like all the cross type. There's like a shit ton of cross type sensors in that one.
Yeah, because even the sound of the shutter, like my D800 is like cling.
Yeah. It's a really like. I like the older cameras too. It's like I had a bunch of Canon 5D Mark 1, like the first ones.
Yeah.
Those are like they're fun. They're cheap. Nowadays they're kind of just a fun camera to like. I don't know, like you can beat around. But
let's see. All right, so no, it's actually good.
Yeah.
And it's sweet. Yeah, and I like it. Has like a zebra effect on the highlights.
Yeah, like biggest thing.
Go to, right? Yeah. All right. Good to go.
I'm acceptable with darkness and I don't real love it.
This is my favorite person right here. What's going on? As much as I eat here, you know, you would think that they paid me, but I actually got some pulled pork, mac and cheese, and cornbread. So that, let me give you my first reaction to that D850. Automatically from my D800, I could tell a difference from the frames per second. It was tremendous. And overall, I think I got a good steal. And I even got it cheaper than what I thought I was gonna have to pay. He wanted 16, and he let me give him 15.50. Not that big of a deal, but I could do that meal right here. Overall, good day. And I'm gonna finish it with this food. Peace.